Pete, Daniel, thank you so much for joining us here at IMpower 2024. It's great to have you in our studio. Could I begin by asking each of you really just to outline your respective businesses at Northern Trust and tell us what it is you do there. So if I could start with you, Daniel.
Thank you for the opportunity to be here. I lead the asset management division of Northern Trust. We manage $1.2 trillion of assets on behalf of institutional clients, as well as wealth management and family office clients. And we manage an array of investments, indexing, systematic, fundamental, across equities, fixed income, multi-assets, and alternatives. And we do it because we want to deliver great returns for our clients.
Pete.
Yeah, so I'm head of asset servicing, and asset servicing really provides sophisticated solutions both to asset owners and asset managers. And that solution set revolves around data, capital market solutions. On the fund side, we do pricing, et cetera. But ultimately, we try to facilitate Daniel to make more money for the end clients. That's our goal. We're a team.
Daniel's smiling at the thought of that. So, Pete, staying with you at a macro level and with the view you have from the top, if you like, of your asset servicing business, what would you say are the key challenges and opportunities facing your clients today? And I guess what measures can you take in response to that to put them in the best position possible?
Yeah, I'll take it in split because I'll do asset managers and asset owners. So I think asset managers are still focused on cost pressures. They've got to drive down costs and improve distribution. And the way we help them with that is providing scale solutions. So if they outsource to us, we get basically we get more scale. We can pass that savings on to them. We also provide them data. And that's where the overlap between managers and owners come in, because with data, we ultimately give them the power to make better decisions, not only after the fact to see what they've done, but hopefully while they're making the investment decisions.
And Daniel, as we know, the current environment is a hot topic at this event, is still quite challenging and tough economically and geopolitically. So from your perspective, as a global asset manager, what would you say are some of the key areas you're looking at in terms of potential value, I guess, in that sort of market? And what are the investment solutions that you're coming forward with to support those opportunities?
Of course. And so we have a market that is actually continues to be challenging. Interest rates continue to be low for longer, and it's been very moving in different directions. We also have quite a difficult geopolitical environment. So I think what we do when we look at the market is we provide great value for our clients on scalable solutions, indexing. We also provide great solutions on cash management, and we provide great value in looking at the markets, both looking at specific countries, looking at specific markets, so that clients can actually deliver what they want.
Hearing about evolution and a shift in sort of the situation there, and I guess as that market evolves, solutions have to adapt and evolve too. So, what solutions or operational infrastructure changes, or perhaps do you think that you'll need to have in place for your clients, Pete, and how might that perhaps differ going forward from what we see today?
Yeah, I think as I look at how the industry's evolved, we are systemically important to the financial services industry. So we facilitate lots of payments every day. We facilitate collateral movements. We facilitate trades, settlements, etc. And in today's day, that what used to be a tail risk, cyber threats, all this stuff, now is, actually that could happen. So the amount of money, time, and energy you have to spend on managing tail risk, so different. And the only organizations that can afford to do so are ones with scale. And that's why you see this business getting more and more consolidated and the big players continuing to win more. Our clients trust us. They look for us to provide not only that safety and security for all their assets, but then ultimately from that, all the data that will make them better.
So what you're describing there, is a very complex picture, lots of risks to mitigate for, but also opportunities within all that, I guess. So finally, just to Daniel, perhaps, with all those complex challenges that are being faced, what do you think a successful investment manager will look like in the future? And what do you expect to see in the next, 5 years potentially, of how that will evolve?
Yeah, so asset managers, the asset manager of the future combines both the scale and the technology to deliver solutions at scale. be it indexing, custom indexing. At the same time, they should be able to provide alpha sources or outperformance through new ideas. It could be thematic ideas, it could be private ideas. So that's the combination of the barbell that we call it. You provide custom solutions at big scale, and you provide great ideas for the clients that they actually want to have a more sustainable world, or they want to have more technologically advanced in the world to come. So basically, that combination is what the manager of the future looks like.
And just show what you can do. Well, thank you so much for sharing what you can do with me today. It's been great to talk to you both. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.